Man, if you saw how crazy this tripod was set up right now. Welcome to the great outdoors. Okay, so let's talk really about YouTube's success. And I'm gonna assume that if you wanna create videos, you also wanna drive views, you wanna grow a channel, and that's important. If that's the case, and I'm asking and I'm kind of setting this video up first with this, because if you wanna succeed, the thing you've gotta do is number one, come up with great video ideas, and then number two is you've gotta have the ability to execute on those video ideas. And here's what's really interesting about the power of a smartphone, an iPhone, an Android. You see, a smartphone makes it so very easy to capture very good video quality. And the power really is in the fact that you press a button and you've got footage. And when we talk about the power of simply pressing a button and you've got amazing footage, it's not just video. There's a lot more to it. See, one of the things to consider is, let's say you want to do like videos and time lapse, and you want to be out and about and you want to vlog. If we talk about time lapse, with an iPhone, literally you point and you press a button and that's it, and everything is done in the phone. It's smart. It's a smart phone. And with a Sony a6400, they now have an intervalometer. Is that the technical term as far as a time lapse? A real time lapse, if you want to go pro, you actually take 10,000 pictures and then you color correct them, and then you have to correct for exposure, which means you need another piece of software, and then you've got to stitch all the photos together into a time-lapse movie. It takes time, it takes skills, and remember what I said, to grow is you need one, good ideas, and two, the ability to execute. What's far more important is your ability to press record and just get a lot of footage really quick and really easily. You see, the iPhone frees you up. You don't have to worry about trying to figure out the slow motion and the settings and aperture and f-stop. Here's another really great example. This picture that you're looking at right now, this is a long exposure picture. It was probably a 20-second exposure and it was pitch black. I couldn't really see the mountain, I couldn't see what I was aiming at, but because the shutter was open for so long, I got this beautiful photo. To do this with a camera, again, you're gonna spend days trying to figure out the settings, and you might screw it up and it's gonna look like crap. With an iPhone, again, you point and click and you get this. That is incredible. That functionality is powerful and will free you up to be creative. Let me give you another example of how to be creative with an iPhone. I thought, you know, we've got this slow motion setting. That's cool. What would happen if I went out and I took some slow motion footage of the snow? And it was cool and beautiful and serene, and I thought, okay, we're on to something. How can I take this to the next level? Remember, idea, execute. It was simple. I just had to press the button, and I thought, well, dude, what you need is a tripod, get the camera, the phone set up, go into slow motion, press the button, and then step into the frame, and then you've got yourself with the snow kind of falling behind you, real beautiful, serene. And I was able to make that happen easily, quickly, and that is the power. If you want to vlog, you want to go with an iPhone, with an Android, a Pixel, and then what you want to do is you want to get the gear to really improve and take the video and the audio quality to the next level. So first off, I really like the Shure MV88 Plus. If you're just getting started and you don't have any gear, then buying this one package is amazing because you're going to get a tripod. This. I am so contorted right now. You get this and you don't appreciate how amazing this kind of a thing is until you use it. You see, it's got this ball head here and you can twirl it around, you can get the different angle. Let's say you want to do a time lapse. Well, you set this down on the rock, you grab your phone, you press time lapse. Oh, and there goes my notes. So I guess I'll just keep on filming and I'll go grab that in a second. But so you get with the Shure MV88 Plus, you can see here it says Shure. You get this. Now obviously you get the microphone, and the microphone is amazing. One of the things I love about it is it doesn't require any charging. There's no batteries, it can't die. All you have to do is plug it into your Android or your iPhone, and this is the audio quality that you're hearing. And furthermore, if I get really close, like, hey, what's happening? Is that too close? But hear how good the audio quality is right now. It's phenomenal, especially considering it's my phone. And then lastly, and this is interesting because when you get a wide angle lens, you get to capture more of the beautiful outdoors, more of you just get more good stuff in the frame. And even better, it allows you to get really close to the microphone. You see, right now I'm this close to the microphone, and the closer I am to the mic, the better the sound quality, which is one of the secrets of this particular setup. Now, links to all these amazing accessories for your mobile smartphone, mobile vlogging setup are found in the description. Those are affiliate links. Be aware of that, from Amazon.com. And this is the stuff I'm using right now to capture this image with this picture, and I hope you dig it. Oh, and there's one other thing I want to mention that you want to buy. You want to buy a regular tripod. Right now I'm using a regular tripod, and I come out to these locations with my regular tripod. I do talking head just like this, but then I shoot B-roll in the location, and it's wicked. Really cool. This is just the get your foot in the door setup, and there are a number of other things we'll talk about as we move forward, like stabilizers, like neutral density filters, also known as ND filters, and a lot more to really have more control and create pleasing images, video, audio. Hope you dug the video. I'll see you around.